Good morning, you guys. I hope you guys are well. Welcome to London. I'm staying just in there. Today we're going to be doing a POV video with the Canon R10 again because you guys seem to like it, and probably using the 35 and maybe the 50. So I'm going to head into central London and see what we can get. Tomorrow I'm going to be using the Canon EOS R, more like mainly focus on the strangers. But I'm so lucky because look at the weather, guys. It's so nice and sunny. So before we shoot, I'm gonna go and find some breakfast, and yes, Canary Wharf, I love my Canary Wharf. So guys, obviously before we shoot, we need something to eat, and I wanted to show you this place. It's so cool. Near Canary Wharf, and there's the river. And this is our baby we're gonna be using today, so I changed the plan. I'm gonna use the 50mm f1.8 because I thought we already shot with the 35, and it would be good for you guys to see what the 50 would look like. 50 is going to be amazing on here. Okay, check it out, guys. We are in London. Boom. You guys will not believe it as well. While I get my stuff set up, have a look at this. You guys are going to freak. I found my very first camera. Look at this. It's a Lumix. I mean, a Panasonic. That is crazy. I didn't even think it works anymore, but that's where I started, you guys. First location, this shard. Let's see. So it is super zoomed in, but let's see what we can get. Maybe something like this. Because it's sunny for 5 seconds, and then the next 5 seconds it's not. And thank you guys so much for all of the comments on the recent R10 video. Now, I don't know if you guys can hear me, those bells are going crazy. It's really nice to know that you guys are enjoying the POV videos with this camera, because I had a look as well, and on YouTube there aren't really any videos like this, so with that camera. So while I do have this camera, I'm gonna smash it out for you. There are gonna be lots of R10 videos, so please let me know, guys, if there are any other kinds of videos that you wanted to see with it. Maybe some comparisons or something I can help you guys with, just let me know. What about if we stand in the middle, as usual? So this is like one of my favorite places for portraits. When it's cloudy here, you can get some really cool pictures with these buildings in the middle. So remember this street, guys, for when you come here, London Bridge. At some stage, you guys, while we're in London, because Shoreditch is a super cool place for portraits. Did we get her? I feel like this camera is dope for street photography because the tracking is so fast. Have a look at that beautiful blue water, guys. Delicious. I don't know if you guys can see it. Find something like this, a rail, and it usually gives a pretty cool reflection. So you can put this on top, and then connect, guys. Yawning. It's a Sunday morning. He's been out all night. It's a Sunday. Okay, so we are going to get on the bus. Oh, sorry. Okay, you guys, we're back on track. I had to go and buy a jacket because I was not prepared. I just went and got a coffee from here. Highly recommend it if you guys are in London. It was so good. There is a lady here that looks really cool. Let's see if I can get her. Hey, excuse me. I'm doing pictures of strangers. I do it for my YouTube channel, and I really like your style. I wanted to see if I could get a portrait. And I could send it to you as well if you like.
Take long?
2 minutes. I can show you what it looks like this.
Okay. I mean, you're on Instagram?
Instagram, yes, like this. Look.
Nice. Oh, so you
Did you-
film on that?
On the GoPro, yes.
Oh,
Did you want to try one?
Okay.
Nice. Where are you guys from?
That's really nice. I'm from Vietnam.
Oh, I've been to Vietnam.
Oh, really?
I've like traveled from Hanoi to Saigon.
Oh, really? I live in Hanoi.
Oh, Hanoi is cool. Perfect, yes, one like this. And now one slowly walking towards me. Yeah. Yes, perfect. Yes, and I want to try one more when a red bus comes past.
Okay.
Oh no, just stand there. Stay there. And now walking again towards me.
Wow, nice.
Look at that, they look so cool.
Nice. Aww. Happy face. What do you feel about Hanoi?
It's cool. A lot of people.
Yeah, a lot of people into traffic is crazy.
I had a motorbike there,
really?
and it was insane. Yeah, it was
Yeah.
crazy. Oh, I love her. Let's see. Hey, excuse me. I'm a photographer. Could I just take a photo of you like this?
Okay.
I really like your vibe. You look really cool.
Thank you.
Perfect. Stay there. Cool. And one full body just over here. Where are you from? Are you from here, London?
I'm
Or?
from Japan.
Oh, I really
Yeah,
want to
so
go to
I'm-
Japan.
Yeah,
Yeah, really.
Please come.
I want to like this year. I want to go to Japan and Korea.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I've been like all Southeast Asia, but not Japan and stuff. So
Really?
next trip. And one slowly walking towards me. Yes, beautiful. And one more just there, yes, awesome. Okay, so nice. Have a look. And I'll send them to you as well.
Wow! Your photo is so good. Wow.
Oh, thank you.
すごい.
Yes, they're gonna be so cool.
Thank you.
If you want.
Yeah, I want. Thank you.
Awesome.
I will contact you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye bye. This is so cool, guys. So this must be like a flower market.
Neglected to look after them.
Hey guys, would you like a couple of more other portraits with the plants? It's for YouTube.
I can't do this. I don't know. Maybe he does. I don't know if I can, honestly. Oh,
You can.
oh man.
What are you doing? Just pictures or...
Portraits, yeah.
If you want to do it, Joe, I'll wait for you. Come on. I'm not going to do it though. I'm not. I'm not feeling the shoot today. I'm not feeling the shoot today.
Yeah, sure, why not?
Go.
Awesome. So yeah, now one look in this direction. Yeah. And can we do one like this, just holding the glasses with the hands? So you're just kind of doing perfect. And one more, so yeah. Perfect, just there.